this video, I'm going to go over why email marketing is important for your e-commerce brand. Like, you can literally add 20-30% more revenue in the next 90 days if you get it right. So, and I'm going to show you how and why it works so good. But before that, my name is Sumant Goyal, and I help e-commerce brands add 20-30% in their revenue without spending a single dollar on paid ads through email marketing, while increasing their lifetime value of their customers and the average order value of their store. Now, first of all, what is email marketing? So basically, when you promote your or advertise your products via emails, that is email marketing. But it is much more than that. It is literally one of the most intimate communication channel that an e-commerce brand can have. Now let's get into why email marketing. First of all, here are some numbers and stats. There are literally 4.3 billion email addresses worldwide with an average of 2 emails per person. That comes to over 2 billion people that use email. That is literally more than Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, any other marketing channel that you can think of. And email is 40 times more effective than Facebook and Twitter when it comes to acquiring new customers. And approximately 72% of your customers prefer for brands to contact them via email. Now, email marketing has the highest ROI. It is literally $36 for every $1 spent on email marketing. Now, these are the facts and numbers. Let's get into how it will look practically when you actually do it, and why it makes so much sense for you to optimize email marketing for your brand. Now, here's a normal e-commerce funnel. Somebody visits your website, they go to the product page view, and then they add something, and they add that to the cart. Then they go to the checkout, and then they purchase. But if you notice, the percentages of people dropping at every step is just huge. So first of all, when somebody visits your website, let's say 55% of the people just leave your website without even checking out any product. Now, you spend money, and then 50% of the people that get here from the ads, they just leave. That's not good. What we usually do, we capture emails as soon as they get on the website within 6 to 12 seconds. But look at this before. So usually this is most of the funnels. You spend on ads. People go to the landing page. They add the product to the cart, and then they complete the order, or they leave at the landing page itself, or they add the product to the cart, then abandon the cart. Then you spend more ads retargeting those customers, and then you might have to give even promotions on those products, and which reduces the margins while you're spending more money. Then they add to the cart, then they purchase. But now just imagine that you capture the email over here, and now this is how the funnel will look like. People go to your website, you capture their email, then you put them through the sales process. What is the sales process? You nurture them. You send them your welcome email for you, tell them you'd help them connect with the brand. You help them see how you literally relate with their story, and make them see how you will help them overcome their pain points. And once they buy, you upsell them through email marketing. You retain them for longer, and then they become regular clients, which leads to just more money. Now, instead of spending money on ads, then people leaving, this is what it will look like. You spend money on ads, people come to your website, they're like, oh, they don't have time to leave, but you capture their email. Now you target them again via email without spending a single dollar on ads. And email is your own marketing channel. You control the amount of emails you send. You control the time you send. You control what information to put in. And even if let's say they go to the cart and they leave over here, so you send them put them in the abandoned cart flow. This way, it's just a whole cycle. You retarget them without spending a single dollar on ads. And then you convert them into repeat customers just because you're nurturing them. You make them fall in love with your brand. Now, for example, let's do some maths over here. So 100%, let's say 1,000 people visit your website, and out of those 1,000 people, only 450 people make it to the product view page, and only 150 people add to the cart, and only 40 people check out. But how will it look if we had email marketing? Out of those 1,000 people, if you capture the email, usually email pop-up forms convert between 8 to 10%. Let's say you capture 10% of the people who visit your website. You capture email of 10% of the people who visit your website, and every day, let's do for one day, 1,000 people came in that day. You capture 100 emails. Then out of the 100 emails, you converted 2%, and you converted so you sold two products, and your average, let's say your average order value is $100. So you made $200 extra in one day, which you wouldn't have made otherwise. That is 200 into 30. What, 6,000? Yeah, that's $6,000 extra every single month. In over the course of 12 months, that $72,000 that you would have left on the table if you didn't have email marketing. So it is just so much more effective, and it is so personalized and so intimate, because like literally there's no other noise. When somebody's scrolling through Instagram, or somebody's scrolling through TikTok or Facebook, there's so much noise going on. But when it's email, it is only your email that they're looking at. There's no other graphics, nothing else, only what you want to show to them, and it works really, really good. So try it, and if you want our help with it, I can help you in two ways. One, if you are an e-commerce brand doing more than 50,000 a month, and then I will add 20 to 30% to your e-commerce brand through email marketing within the next 90 days, or I will work with you for free until you get those results. Or if you don't fit in that category, you can subscribe to this YouTube channel and press the bell icon so you get notification every time I post. And that's how I can help you by giving you more information about email marketing.